In this last set for us, here's a song entitled I Have a Wife, Oberek.
We're going to send this one out to Mr. TBC out there, Mr. Wigsy, Mr. Cool. Wiggs is the best. Mr. Steck out there, Annie Steck is taking a lot of pictures tonight. Your daughter's around here a lot. So we miss her, she's in Poland, so we miss Annie. Also for Ricky Kenny out there. Good to see you guys. Also for Wally and Nancy Chevy and Cricket. Good to see those guys here tonight. Where's it? Go ahead.
God, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I was
Freddie Fijo.
Yeah, absolutely.
Talk about growing up in the 70s, huh?
My friend Freddie Fijo over there used to play drums, and the first polka band I played in, we were like 14, 15 years old back in the day. They Paul Midas and the Mountaineers back in Gilbertville, Massachusetts. Freddie was the drummer, so great to see my friend Freddie once again.
Wally Dabrowski boy right there, that one titled I Have a Wife.